Now we are on the way for Motor Vehicles Department, Alipur, 24 hours. Or also it is known as RTO Office, Alipur, 24 hours. We are in the direction from Alipur Zoo or National Library to the Motor Vehicles Department, Alipur, 24 hours. From main road, here left turn is to be taken to enter the premises of the Motor Vehicles Department. Cars, private cars or the rented cars are to be parked on the main road or left up to some distance or to straight within vacant ground. But two-wheelers, as we are with two-wheelers are to be parked here or somewhere else. Now we have faced some crisis of parking of two-wheelers due to non-availability of parking space. We have parked our two-wheeler to some distance from the main building of the motor. And now at front the Motor Vehicles Department, that is the RTO Alipur 24 hours can be seen. It's a blue color. The blue color building is the RTO 24 hours Alipur office, and RTO and ARTO office are at ground floor of this building, the left front side, and the MVI, Motor Vehicle Inspector and License Department, these offices situated at the first floor of this building. Now we are going to park our two-wheeler at any available space. After parking the two-wheeler, we will return back at left. Here at left, the cash office, that is the cash counters where money is to be deposited for different reasons. For
পার্কিং করা যাবে তাই তো
and the
পার্কিং করা যাবে
motor vehicles, road tax, renewal, license, for different kinds of work. The money is to be deposited at cash office. There are a few counters at which the cash can be deposited. Now after parking, we are going back to the main RTO office. The RTO office is blue in color. At front, the right hand side building is the RTO office. At the center there is one main gate through which we have to enter to the office of RTO Alipur and WVI, that is the MVI, not WVI, MVI, Motor Vehicles Inspector office at first floor. We have to go there. Now we are going to the RTO office first. From there, MVI office, to calculate or to know the money is to be deposited as fine of 2 cases of on-road checking of pollution of my car. Here it is the first floor of RTO Alipur office. In front of us here we have to go if we will go to RTO office, and now it is first floor. Here is a straight the office is of MBI motor vehicle inspector and at left of motor vehicle inspector office there is license department. All works of licensing are done here. From RTO office, now we are going to cash office, where cash for different reasons are to be deposited. It's situated at the back side of the RTO office building at ground floor. There are different counters for receiving cashes for different works or reasons or objects. Here it can be seen here there are many people are waiting for getting chance to get enter in the cash office section. Here I have felt some disturbance of touts and brokers. I have spent about 1.5 hour to deposit the required cash, during which I have seen that different touts, many touts and brokers are entering through somewhere and going to the counters and doing their business. And this type of disturbance I haven't seen in the RTO office, Salt Lake, and RTO office, Sector 5. But here I have felt very bitter difficulties just to get entered into the cash office.
এটা ছবি তোলা লাইসেন্স রেজিস্ট্রেশন লাইসেন্স
Now it is further the RTO office at ground floor and MVI and licensing department at first floor. We have to return back there to submit the proof of depositing money as fine.